runway. Alam mo, napakasaya. Tsaka gawin natin throughout our show today, for each and every model that comes out, it's gonna be an exercise sa lungs ninyo. We're gonna shout and give them all your support at the top of your lungs. Kasi napakasaya at marami pang mga masasayang mangyayari ngayon. So, alam mo talaga ako, habang nakaupo dito, pinapanood sila, I feel so very inspired. And actually, inspiration is what brought me to Sinag Digital Media because, well, actually, in-invite ako ng friend ko na si Dr. Raymond Karasik para sumali ng Sinag Digital Media. And I wasn't expecting, but I knew that there were going to be really great things to come. So thank you so much, Raymond, for being with me.
We are also very grateful, of course, to have you be part of the Sinag family kasi talaga namang very inspiring din and masarap makasama yung mga taong good vibes lagi ang dala.
Actually. Well, the story of Sinag itself is very inspiring, lalo na sa mga shows that we're producing.
Exactly.
At yung show na Spotlight, kaka-wrap up lang ng Season 1 ng Spotlight. And through Spotlight, you got to shine the light on individuals by uncovering their stories behind their successes and their struggles, and each episode was empowering and moving and amazing. Huh?
Exactly. Nakakatuwa na makapag-interview ng mga napakararaming mga inspiring individuals with their stories, yung mga challenges na encounter nila and how they were able to overcome that. And that's one of the things that we wanted to highlight sa ating Sinag Spotlight.
Well, Raymond, as the host, actually, and also producer of Spotlight, and you filmed the entire Season 1 in just a few months, like what were some of...
Tag-invite na din.
Tag-invite na din, o diba?
Yes.
Lahat na talaga. What was it like? Like, what were some of the challenges in filming Spotlight?
Well, of course, initially, we are starting Sinag Spotlight as one of our main shows. And bago lang naman din ang Sinag Digital Media. So, we are operating in a very small team. So, we had to do almost everything. And pagdating naman dun sa actual na mga interviews na nababanggit mo, kung meron mang challenge siguro, that would be interviewing a number of individuals in a particular day. Because I have experienced conducting 4 interviews or 7 pa nga yung isang araw. 7 interviews from morning yun hanggang paggabi na. Kasi from briefing, kwento-kwentuhan ng konti, and then we do the entire interview. So, whole day siya.
I think I remember that day at naalala ko din yung mga outfit changes. Like, it looks like it's one full episode but it was just in one day. But what were some of the memorable stories that you would like to share with us? I know there were a lot, and with those 11 episodes, each and every episode was actually very empowering and special. But what are some that like maybe highlight or yung naaalala mo ngayon?
Wow, napakarami niyan, ano? But if there's one particular episode siguro na talagang tatatak sa akin, it would be the pilot episode. Kasi the person whom we have interviewed is someone